Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this tripod impact sprinkler. Inside the box, you do get promotional content, 2 washers for the hose end connections. So, yep. So here is the tripod unit. Got the plastic. You can see there's the hose connection there. Tripod itself. Get that shown on camera. Okay. And then the impact sprinkler head as well. That just screws on the top of the tripod. Good durable brass material. The last 2 things in the box is the warranty card as well as your user manual.